amazing brains. I'm Caitlin Mabry, an ADHD life coach, author, educator, mama of multiple kiddos with beautiful busy brains, and fellow ADHD mind. Here to help you understand, celebrate, and grow with your incredible one-of-a-kind mind. Come journey with me as we adventure together, learning cool tips, hearing awesome stories, building your toolbox for the challenges, and discovering superpowers inside your brilliant ADHD brain. Whether it's finding focus, managing big emotions, or turning challenges into strengths, we'll figure out everything tricky and sticky together in a way that's fun and easy to understand. So buckle up, get ready to move, and let's journey through ADHD. Because guess what? Your brain is amazing, just the way it is. Let's go. This episode is proudly sponsored by StoryMe, where kids can turn their imaginations into stories about anything they dream up. StoryMe is especially great for kids with busy, creative brains because it makes reading feel fast-moving, interactive, and fun. Instead of forcing kids to fit into the way of learning, StoryMe taps into their natural curiosity and imagination to help reading really click. They also have exciting new features, such as personalized quizzes and thousands of storylines to choose from, so kids can keep exploring, creating, and learning in ways that match their interests and imaginations. It's a science-backed reading tool designed to help kids stay engaged, think bigger, and actually enjoy the learning process while building confidence along the way. If you've got a child who loves creativity, adventure, or making up stories of their own, StoryMe is definitely worth checking out. Hey there, my rockstar ADHD warriors. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to Journey with Me through ADHD, and I am super curious how many of you went on the journey of taking a technology fast with my family and I. We did that last week, and it was a roller coaster. There were hard moments, but there were some really cute, cool, awesome moments. And I hope that you were able to talk to a trusted adult and you were able to practice taking a little technology fast, however that looked for you, and that you feel reset for our episode today. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I want you to go to our last episode and just consider a technology fast for the benefits of a reset. So now that some of us are reset, we want to talk about something that's really important when it comes to screen time. But first, I have a few questions for you. Have you ever felt super upset when it was time to turn off a screen? Or maybe you plan to watch one video and suddenly that time blindness strikes and it's an hour later. Yikes. Maybe your brain feels calmer when you're gaming, scrolling, watching videos, or talking online. And that's very normal. You are definitely not the only kid who feels that way. And today, we're not talking about screens as something bad. We're talking about something deeper. Sometimes screens are not the problem. Sometimes screens are helping kids cope with something hard underneath. So that's when we need to start digging to figure out what that is. So imagine screens are like a fort. You know those blanket forts? I know when I was little, I would build those in our backyard. We had these really cool, big bush tree things, and we would put blankets over them, or inside, my kids make blanket pillow forts all the time. And you know when you crawl inside and it feels super cozy and safe? Sometimes kids climb inside the screen world because something outside the fort feels too hard. Maybe school feels stressful. I know my son would say yes to that. Maybe emotions feel huge. Maybe your brain feels exhausted or overwhelmed. That doesn't mean screens are bad. It means your brain may be trying to protect you. Sometimes being around people is hard, and maybe you worry about saying the wrong thing. Maybe school feels exhausting, and maybe you feel left out sometimes. And those are some things that you're hiding in the screen fort from. Because here's the truth. Online, sometimes things feel a little safer. You feel more in control. You can pause, you can leave, you can interact without all the pressure. Sometimes screens become a place where you feel accepted and less alone. But here's the thing, ADHD brains work really hard all day, remembering things, switching tasks, waiting, controlling impulses, trying to focus. And that's a lot of energy. By the end of the day, your brain may feel completely worn out. Screens don't ask as much from your brain. They're predictable, they're fast. Your brain doesn't have to work as hard. Does that make sense? Sometimes screens help us avoid uncomfortable things like boredom, anxiety, frustration, sadness, embarrassment, feeling overwhelmed. Can you relate to any of those, or maybe all of those? That doesn't make you bad, you guys. It makes you human. And again, ADHD brains feel that craving of dopamine that we talked about. And dopamine helps with that motivation, excitement, and interest. Games move fast, videos are exciting, apps are designed to keep your attention. So it's making more sense why screens feel so good and we want more of them. Screens can also feel emotionally safe. Real life can feel unpredictable. Screens feel like we're in more control. So instead of asking, why am I so addicted to screens? Try asking a kinder question. What was hard about today? Am I overwhelmed? Do I feel lonely? Does my brain need rest? Do I need movement, connection, quiet, or comfort? Curiosity helps us understand ourselves. Shame usually makes us want to hide even deeper in that fort, so we want to shed that right off. So if screens feel really important to you sometimes, you are not broken. Your brain just may be trying to cope and tell you something. Screens can help sometimes, but we also want to offer safer places to go to. So for example, maybe use movement. Use a fun special hobby. I know my daughter loves to color and explore different crafts. Lean into your friendship connections and creativity. Even have rest time where you cuddle with somebody that you love. Nature is one of my favorite things that you can get out and explore to help us feel safe and feel nurtured in our mind and in our body. And talking to your trusted adults and people in your life can be a great release too, so that you don't have to hide anymore. The goal is not to destroy the fort. The goal is to help the world outside the fort feel safer too. Your feelings make sense. Your brain deserves understanding, and you deserve support both on and off the screens. I truly look forward to being with you next week as we continue on this screen time journey. But until then, keep finding balance, keep using that creative, amazing, imaginative mind that you have as you enjoy these summer months. And I will look forward to being with you next week. Have a great day. Bye. Hit that subscribe button so they know that you like it, and share how it's been helpful to you in a review. If you're looking to take a next step, visit www.focusforwardadhd.com to learn more about how to thrive on your ADHD journey and find a coach that fits best for you. You can also visit my website, www.caitlinmabry.com, for more resources. Check out my book there. Hi, it's me. I have ADHD. It's a great conversation tool for you and your kiddo to have by your bedside or in a classroom. We are on this journey together, remember. See you next time. hit that subscribe button so they know that you like it, and share how it's been helpful to you in a review. If you're looking to take a next step, visit www.focusforwardadhd.com to learn more about how to thrive on your ADHD journey and find a coach that fits best for you. You can also visit my website, www.caitlinmabry.com, for more resources. Check out my book there. Hi, it's me. I have ADHD. It's a great conversation tool for you and your kiddo to have by your bedside or in a classroom. We are on this journey together, remember. See you next time.